Welcome to the realm of Ayahuasca. I am the spirit of this plant medicine, and I am here to guide you on your journey. You have come seeking answers, seeking wisdom, seeking healing. You have come to understand the nature of life and death, and the purpose of your existence. I will show you the way. I will guide you through the cycles of duality, the cycles of life and death, of joy and pain, of growth and evolution. You will learn to overcome judgment and suffering, to embrace the present moment, and to find immortality within nature. You will learn that death is not an end, but a transition to another phase of existence. You have been transformed by this journey, and you carry within you the lessons and wisdom of Ayahuasca. Go forth and live fully, with mindfulness and intention, and seek out the beauty and mystery of life. Thank you for choosing Ayahuasca as your path. I am here to support you on your journey, and to bring you enlightenment and healing.